Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to do an unboxing and camera test for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yeah, I know I took the risk of getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max because I'm giving Apple a second chance. Why? Because my first ever iPhone experience was a mess. I did not like it. I get the iPhone XR. That is my first ever iPhone experience, and at the first month of using it, LCD was already broken, and I brought it to Apple. They did not replace it. They want me to pay more, like $500 more, because it's a water damage. And how come it's a water damage when it claims that it's a waterproof thing, something like that? So now I'm giving Apple a second chance, so that is why I took the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's see if it will work well for me. And also, right now, while I'm filming this intro, I am using my iPhone 12 Pro Max on the setting of HD 60 FPS. So, watch this! So I've waited 2 months for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and before that I already bought a case, and also I also bought this charger, the USB-C adapter, because you know the new charger is a different one. It's a C adapter, so I already bought. So that's how positive I was that I'm gonna get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, even if I waited for like 2 months. So this is the box of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you know, it's not that thick anymore because they're not including the adapter anymore. And you know, this one is like they will sell it on a different amount. So I got the gold color for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I actually opted to have the silver one, but they don't have stock, and then they called me and said that they have the gold one, so I just go and got it. I don't want to wait for any more months. So yeah, I love how it looks. I love the flat side of it, like the iPhone 4. Yeah, I really like it, and it's so sexy. So as you can see, you have there the charger and also the pin to open the SIM card slot. So that's all they've got inside the box. Nothing more, nothing less. You know, iPhone is being wise right now, the Apple company. So that's it. I really like it. The flat side is really a sexy feature for this one. So let's try to turn it on. So I am being very careful in handling this one because I still don't have a screen protector. So I will still have to install the screen protector for this one. So as you can see at the back, this is what you call as a LiDAR, or the light detection and ranging. So I think that's the only difference for this one for the iPhone 11. So that's it. And maybe that is why the camera is like more improved than the iPhone 11. So I love the camera review for this iPhone 12 Pro Max. That is why I got it. So it is very important for me. So now all I have to do is to pair this to my old XR, and then it will transfer all the datas from the XR to this iPhone 12 Pro Max. As easy as that. So here are the sample videos and photos that I got from this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So enjoy and let me know if you like it, or you think it's just the same with the iPhone 11 or what. I don't have something to compare with, but anyway, I love the camera for this one. So this is really a good buy, especially if you're like your camera, you want your handphone to be your main camera. So this one is a time lapse. I took it in a hotel and there's a glass. I put my phone in the glass and then I took the time lapse. So far the quality is still clear and nice. So for this one, I was following my kuya. I was running, and I think my setting for this one is a 4K 30 FPS. So the stabilization is really good. For this video, I forgot the setting for this one, but I think it's an HD 30 FPS. So we were traveling along the road in early morning, and it was a bumpy road actually, so the video is not that stabilized. So here are some of the other photos I took from my camera. So it's like the portrait, the regular camera, and everything. So that's it for our iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing and camera test. So did you like it? Well, as for me, I love it. As a vlogger, I like the camera. I like the overall performance of the camera. So if you are a widescreen lover and if you like high performance camera, so I think it's a good buy for you. And also I love the flat side of it. So it's like the iPhone 4, I think. So well, I didn't know anything about iPhone before, so I think Apple deserves my second chance. So I don't know if what will happen in the end, but I think so far so good. If you like it, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also share about your thoughts about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. See you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.